Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see how we can create barcode generator using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So today video is so interesting. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So let's start. First of all, we will make the folder, the barcode generator folder. I'm saving one. After that, we will open that file barcode generator one that we have created, and after that we will right click and we will see the open with VS Code is appearing. After clicking open with VS Code, the VS Code editor will be open. After that we will click control plus n to create new file. So I have clicked the control plus and now we have to click control plus F. So it should redirect us to save page whether we can add the name of the file. I'm adding index.html. So guys, I have added the name of .html, index.html. So now we start coding. HTML is to 5. I am taking this. So after that, we need to add the title. What we add? Barcode generator, right? Because we are making barcode generator, right? So guys, we have added the barcode generator. After that, we will add the CDN. Okay. What are the CDN? CDN are mainly used to uh, use the main of the all of the works that will help us to know everything. CDN very helpful for us for to enable the dynamic feature into our front end side without doing hard coding or extra. So after that we can add the styling. So I'm adding the style tag. So guys, I am adding the style tag. I have added the style tag where I am adding the body. So I am adding the CSS for the body tag. So body tag I will take the 20 px. Okay. Background color will be nothing. So guys, it's taking by default. No worries. So I have added the H1 color and everything. So we need to add the button. So button we can add the we can also add the this type of button. Just we can also create the barcode input similar to yes. Yes. So the logic is when the function recalls the generate barcode, the ID will be called from the HTML document get on click button ID. So it will generate the barcode to our existing site. So after adding JS, first of all see the our body tag. We had added the margin, remove it. We will add padding for it. After that, we will add 20 px. So We will add this PG margin top BSPX. We have added the button also. We have also hovered the button also. We have also added the generate button function, whether the JS will be generate the button value into a QR. So whenever we will scan that QR, it will reflect the placeholder input, whether we have added the number or the alphabets. So guys, let's complete the logic. Whenever barcode will be generated or inputted, so constant barcode value, constant code, constant code. So the document we can also add like that, no issues. So we have to add the div. So we have added the div input and everything as we have added. After that, we need to do that like we need to also add the ID, SVG ID. So we will directly add the SVG here. Remove this SVG tab. So we are created our barcode generator. First run this application. You can see that our barcode UI is created. So let me add my demo number. Like I am adding a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 9 0. And we click on generate barcode. It has been generated the barcode. Okay, let me show you the live example of this output. Firstly, we need to install the QR coder from the Play Store. You can see that on the first of the option there is a QR code or a barcode scanner app. After scanning this app, it is showing the same number as we have added on the input. You can see on this screen. Okay, so today we learned how to make barcode generator via using HTML, CS, and JS. I hope you will understand my this episode. So don't forget to share, subscribe, and like my video. I hope you all guys will support my efforts and everything. So thanks a lot and thanks for coming into my channel. So guys, okay, bye bye, see you.